How to use WhatsApp on two iPhones at once. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that WhatsApp is installed on your phone just like this. So after installing the WhatsApp, what you're going to do is simply tap on open and then open your WhatsApp, then tap on agree and continue. So if it is telling you to continue with your old phone number, you should not do that. Instead, what you're going to do is tap on use a different number. Then after doing that, what you're going to do is simply tap on the three dot bar on the top corner right here. So after doing that, tap on link as companion device. So tap on that and it will generate a unique QR code just like this. So now what you're going to do is take your other phone and on your other iPhone, what you're going to do is simply log into your WhatsApp account there. Then from there, what you're going to do is simply tap on the WhatsApp QR scan code. There you will be able to see it on the profile icon, and on the top right corner you will be able to see QR code. Simply tap on that, tap on scan, and you'll be able to scan this QR code from that iPhone, and after scanning it will be linked. So both of the device will be linked as companion device, and like that you'll be able to use your WhatsApp account, same WhatsApp account on two iPhones. And that's all.